Russian Transport Minister Roman Starovoit found dead at home after dismissal by Putin. Russian President Vladimir Putin signed a decree this morning dismissing Roman Starovoit from his post as Minister of Transport. Starovoit, who had been appointed to the position just a year ago, was replaced by Deputy Minister Andrei Nikitin, who has now been assigned as Acting Minister of Transport. Shortly before the appointment, Putin met with Nikitin at the Kremlin and stated, "I would like to offer you the opportunity to take another step in your career and serve as Russia's Acting Minister of Transport. The Prime Minister greatly appreciates your professional and personal qualities, as well as the results you have achieved in a very short time." According to a Reuters report citing the Izvestia news agency, Starovoit was found dead at his home, allegedly from a self-inflicted gunshot. This has led many on social media to question, suicide or murder? A user on X, formerly Twitter, posting from Ukraine, @Bohuslavska shared the following. Roman Starovoit, the former governor of Kursk Oblast, and today dismissed by Putin from the Ministry of Transport of the Russian Federation, was found shot dead at his home in Odintsovo. The official explanation is suicide. He was removed from office without notice and without any explanation. Starovoit was reportedly linked to allegations of embezzlement related to funds allocated for military infrastructure during his time as governor of Kursk Oblast. His appointment to the Ministry of Transport in May of last year was seen by the public as a form of salvation from prosecution. However, today he was dismissed from the post without any official reason, likely due to the collapse of transportation systems following drone attacks on Russian airports.